guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And before we get into this video, I need you all to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do not mind my ratchetness. I was listening to music as I installed my unit, so yeah, that's why I'm really going crazy during certain parts. This is part 2 to my 13x4 frontal unit construction video. So if you haven't seen that already, please go watch that first. In this video, you guys will see me install and style that unit, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final look. I'm currently doing a braid down, and oh my gosh, my arms were so tired already. Yo. Before I start each braid, I moisturize my scalp with Blue Magic coconut oil. I also use coconut oil from Barbados. It wasn't focusing, but that's fine because you can only get it from out there. So I'm not gonna drag this part. The braid down is sped up, but you guys will still be able to see the technique that I use, which allows all my installs to be completely flat. I'm super jokey, so please don't mind me. I did a big chop like 2 years ago, and I really just can't wait to continue on this hair journey with you guys. You guys only got a few seconds clip, but it really took me an hour to do this braid down. The parts is not even nothing, but it's still flat, so that's perfect for me. Now I'm beginning the process of styling the unit. In this clip I had just finished creating it, and I'm using Ericka J's wax stick. I'm telling y'all, this is not a sponsored video. Y'all gotta get in tune. That with a hot comb is the perfect match. Like, I can't stress that enough. I love Ericka J products. Shout out to Big Sis, no cap, I gotta meet her again. I know hot combs work wonders, but you know, I'm just using my curling iron to flatten it out more, making sure the top is secure. If you would like the details to the curling iron or any products that I use, they will be in the description box below. Here I'm just parting the frontal and making it cover the tracks in the back, and I'm going back in with Ericka J's wax stick and my curling iron to flatten it out evenly. Your screen is not crooked. If you saw part 1, y'all know what's going on with my mannequin head. Please don't mind it. So here I'm beginning the process of curling iron the hair, and it may look like I know what I'm doing, but trust me, I don't. This was my first time using a curling iron, and oh my gosh, it shows. Just keep watching. I see other stylists do it, so you don't have to drop the curl, act like I know what I'm doing. But pinning it up, oh my god, I did not know how to do it. This shit was crazy. but by like half of the head I was in tone. I started getting better, and yeah, this look came out fire. So this is the ending results, and majority of you guys already saw this video. Now I'm about to get into installing the unit, and I really cannot wait for you guys to see the final look. Ooh, child, y'all see them edges? Oh my god, that's definitely a story to tell. I definitely might make that into a story time, because yo, my freshman year of high school was crazy. But yeah, if y'all want to hear that story, just let me know. I'm so annoying. I had to turn the volume on for that. Now I'm just doing the ball cap method, and I'll be using Gots to Be Free spray and makeup that matches my complexion. When used correctly, that is the key to making sure your frontal is 100% looking like scalp. This little boy is so crazy. I didn't even know he was there. Oh my god. As you guys can see, I have a very low hairline, so sometimes getting a cap to cover my whole hairline is a challenge, but I still finesse this look in the end. And another thing, once applied correctly, you will not lose your edges. Like, I can't stress that enough. Frontals do not take your edges away if you know what you're doing. So much makeup came off on the cloth. I was like, oh my gosh. Once your cap is secured and the makeup is on properly, you definitely want to wipe down your forehead with alcohol or sea breeze before applying the adhesive of your choice. Now I'm just positioning the unit on my head, seeing how it fits and things of that sort before I start to glue it down. Cutting your ear tabs is such a crucial part. You really have to pay attention and do it properly so that your unit can lay down flat and flawlessly. I'm going right back in with the wax to make sure my edges are pushed back and secured before I start cutting. And yeah, that wax really works wonders. I love it. Now I'll be going in with Ericka J's adhesive. Yes, I use almost all of her products. I really love it and really recommend. My unit has been on for about a week and a half now, and yeah, period. I added 2 layers, and I high-key put too much glue in the middle, but it still came out perfect. You can let the glue air dry, but I use the blow dryer so it can just be faster. And once the glue clears, that's when you can go ahead and lay down your lace. My glue wasn't completely dry, and I did not want it to mess up the lace, so I just lightly used the comb to push down the lace. And to me, that's like the perfect way to really get a laid install. You never want to push down the lace with your fingers, because the glue will seep through the lace and the install will just be terrible. Now I'm just sectioning off my edges, and then I'm gonna take an elastic band and tie that part down. Elastic bands are like so important when you're installing a frontal unit, because that really ensures that your lace will be melted into your skin. Now I'm just cutting the lace off after taking the band off. I'm also giving this unit layers. And can y'all get into the lace, honey? Yes. Like, I'm not even done yet, but I had to go back in. I don't know why I took the pins off before installing the unit, but that was a big mistake. My curls dropped and I had to recurl some parts of the hair. So it's time for the edges, and I had to go in with Ericka J's Fluff stuff. Like, I really love her products. So my lace was lifting a little bit, but after this, you just tie it back down with the elastic band, and boom. Hey guys, so this is officially the final look. I hope you guys like it though. I know y'all seen it as a middle part, but I'm such a side part girl. I couldn't do it. Like, I like this better. Plus, I had to do my edges offline. I said offline. Off camera, because y'all see that's cute or whatever, but this side, we just gonna keep that covered. Like, I'm not gonna front. I'm still new to like doing installs, and I'm just getting better. And yeah, like, I'm just trusting the process at this point, and I'm gonna keep going. And yeah, I'm gonna just keep going and see how far it get me, period. I really hope y'all like this look. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Like, I'm just ready for this YouTube journey to see how far it gets me. And yeah, y'all just gotta stay tuned, because I'm really coming with heat. Like, this is just the beginning. Like, that Q&A, that wasn't nothing. That was just something to post to let the peoples know, like, yeah, Jen is here. But after this, it's gonna be a movie. I can't wait. Thank you guys for watching. I love the support already. And yeah, just let me know in the comments, like, what y'all think. Also, we could get into my makeup as well. I'm not an MUA, like, not at all, but you know, I dibble and dabble with makeup. This is my first time applying lashes to myself, so I'm kind of proud of myself. Like, I'm really loving this look. Like, I'm stepping out my comfort zone, doing things I usually don't do, and I got a good feeling. Like, so if you want to come on this journey with me, stay tuned. Click that bell button so you can get notifications, and we gonna be lit.